Hello and welcome to my mobile programming channel. Open the Play Store and search for Termux. Here is the Termux application. Install it by tapping on Install button. After installing the Termux application, open it and do not turn off the internet connection. Wait while Termux installing its own packages. Type the following command. If you have the keyboard problem, wait for the next video I will add in the iCard. Now you are ready to rock. You have installed a Linux distribution on your Android device. You can use Linux command as you use to Linux computer system. If you don't know how to use it, don't worry. In the next video I will teach you how to use the Linux distribution. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share with your friends.